Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetsjuice.com, and today we are going to talk about a problem which a lot of Android phone users have been facing these days, and we are going to talk about the problem as well as the solution for the same. And the major problem which has been faced by a lot of Android phone users is how to locate a lost or stolen Android phone. So we are going to tell you the solution for this problem, and we are also going to tell you what you need to do right now in order to be prepared if your phone is lost or stolen. So let's start with the solution first of all, and the solution is you need to use Android Device Manager, which is an application or a service provided by Google again, and you don't need to install any application to actually use Android Device Manager. It is there on each and every Android phone with the Google applications which are coming pre-installed. You will find the Google application folder, and once you go into that folder, you can actually see the option of Google settings over there, or you can find the settings under the Google application, which is also coming pre-installed on many of these devices. We have the Google settings over there, and once we go into Google settings, you will see the Android Device Manager over there under settings. Under Android Device Manager, you need to first of all enable two options which are there. First is you can remotely locate the device. So this option is used so that you can locate the device in case the device is lost or stolen, and that will work on the basis of your Google account. So once you are logged in onto your Android phone with your Google account all the time, you can use the same Google account to lock your phone remotely in case it is lost or stolen. Second thing which you need to do is you need to check another option which is again not checked by default, because the first option, which is remotely locating the device, is checked under settings automatically, so you don't need to do anything. The second option, which is allow remote lock and erase, so this option is something which you need to check manually in case you would like to locate your device whenever it is lost or stolen. So once you check this option on your Android phone, you will be automatically prepared for future in case this thing happens with you, unfortunately. Talking about this option, once you enable this option, it will basically tell you what all it can do. It can erase the data of the phone. That includes the complete data of the Android phone. So in case you have an Android phone and that is lost or stolen, and you would like to erase complete data out of that, and you want to secure yourself, you can do that once you enable this option. Second thing which you can do is it can change the unlock password. So in case there is an unlock password which you might have forgotten, if you enable this option, you can also reset the password remotely using the Google Android Device Manager. Again, that can be done from a PC or from a mobile phone as well. So you don't need to actually go to the google.com Android Device Manager. You can actually do it with the Android Device Manager application, which you can install on any other Android phone, and you can control your device remotely with that application once you check this option. Another thing which it can do is it can reset the password. So this is again going to be useful in the scenarios in case you forgot your password of your Android phone and you would like to unlock it. Now in order to unlock it, either you enter the Google account password, which is there an option provided on some of the Samsung phones. For example, on a Samsung phone, if you forgot the pattern lock or if you forgot the pin code, you can actually reset the device or you can unlock the device using your Google account password which you have logged in onto that particular phone. But that option is normally not available on some of the phones out there. So in that case, you can use Android Device Manager to unlock the phone or change the device password remotely. So this option, once you check this option under Google Android Device Manager settings, you can actually unlock the phone and you can find it as well, and you can erase the complete data on the phone. Now let's talk about the second scenario in which you might not have enabled these options on your Android phone, because you never know when your Android phone will be lost or stolen. So you are not prepared for this. So in that case, if you are not prepared for this and you have not checked these options on your device under Android Device Manager settings, you can do it remotely as well online. So you just need to go to the website, that is google.com/android/device manager, and once you go there, you will be able to select your device which is there on all the Android devices on which you have signed in with that particular Google account. You can see all those devices over there as a list. You can select the device which you would like to locate, especially your Android phone, and then you have three options. These three options is you can ring the phone. So in case if your device is stolen by someone, you can ring it loud even if it is on the vibrator mode. So that is possible through the Google Android Device Manager. Second thing which is option which is also possible is locking the phone. You can actually lock the phone remotely, and for this you need to enter a new password which you can enter over here on the application interface, on the website interface of Android Device Manager. And once you enter this password, the default password which was there on your phone will be reset and the new password will be automatically applied, and this will work only if your device is connected to internet and you are logged in onto that device using your same Google account which you are using over here on the Android Device Manager. So these are the two important things. You need to have internet access on your phone in order to make anything work through Android Device Manager on your phone, and you need to be logged in with the same Google account on that phone which you are using on the web interface of Android Device Manager. Third feature which is there with the Android Device Manager is to erase the content of your smartphone, and I would rather recommend to use this feature only if the first two options are not working. The first option allows you to ring the phone loud if it is lost or stolen. Second option allows you to lock the phone and you can actually display a message as well as a number on which the person who has that phone can call on that number and inform you with in case he want to return that. The third option is about erasing the content, and this is something which is the last step you can take. Again, for this option to work as well, you need to have the phone connected to internet. It has to be logged in with the same Google account, and only then it will work. Now you can send this option of erasing the content from the Android Device Manager web application, and it will be a kind of a request which will be sent. So you can send this request if your account is there logged in, and if the device is connected to internet, this will work, and this will basically reset your complete phone. So once you do this, you will lose the complete access to the phone, and this is something which will happen, and once you do this, you will be able to delete your data remotely. So this is all we have as far as the information which is related to the Android Device Manager and what all you can do with Android Device Manager. This completes our review of Android Device Manager. In case you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment section below this video. You can also like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can also subscribe to our YouTube video channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.